Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Honda Prelude marks the highly anticipated return of an iconic nameplate that left enthusiasts longing for a comeback. Honda has reimagined the Prelude as a modern sports coupe that blends performance, technology, and sleek design, making it a standout in the automotive world. The exterior of the 2026 Prelude carries a bold yet elegant design, featuring a low-slung stance, aggressive LED headlights, and a streamlined profile. Honda has incorporated aerodynamic elements that not only enhance its sporty aesthetics but also improve efficiency and handling. A sloping roofline and muscular rear fenders give it a dynamic look, while stylish alloy wheels and a distinctive front grille complete its eye-catching presence. Under the hood, the Prelude is expected to feature Honda's advanced hybrid technology. A combination of a high-revving four-cylinder engine and an electric motor delivers an optimal balance of power and fuel efficiency. Honda's proven hybrid system enhances acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel economy, making the Prelude a compelling choice for driving enthusiasts and eco-conscious buyers alike. The precise horsepower and torque figures remain under wraps, but early reports suggest a performance-oriented setup that ensures a thrilling driving experience. The Prelude's driving dynamics are refined through Honda's latest chassis engineering and suspension tuning. A sport-tuned independent suspension, combined with an adaptive damping system, provides excellent road feedback and cornering capabilities. The power is expected to be channeled through a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or an optional manual gearbox for purists who prefer a more engaging drive. Honda's commitment to front-wheel drive excellence remains evident, though an all-wheel drive option could surprise enthusiasts. Inside, Honda has crafted a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. A fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intuitive user interface enhance the driving experience. High-quality leather and soft-touch materials elevate the interior's comfort and sophistication. Honda's latest Honda Sensing Safety Suite comes standard, offering advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. The 2026 Prelude isn't just a return of a name, it's a statement from Honda about its commitment to sporty, fun-to-drive cars in an era dominated by SUVs and crossovers. Enthusiasts and longtime fans of the Prelude will appreciate its homage to the past while embracing the future of hybrid performance. Pricing is expected to be competitive, positioning it as an attractive alternative to rivals in the compact sports coupe segment. With its striking design, hybrid powertrain, and engaging driving dynamics, the 2026 Honda Prelude is set to make waves in the automotive industry. Whether it's for nostalgia or the thrill of a modern Honda sports coupe, this reborn legend is poised to leave a lasting impression on the road.